objectives is to show the characteristic of a normal random variable, construct a normal curve, and determine the areas beneath the matching top of the normal curve, different values for the standard normal. Standard normal table. A standard normal table, called the unit normal table or the Z table, is a mathematical table for the value of unit. Normal distribution. A normal distribution or Gaussian distribution is a type of continuous probability distribution for a real-valued random variable. Probability distribution. A probability distribution is a function that gives the possibilities of occurrence of possible outcomes for an experiment. Standard deviation. The standard deviation measures of the amount of variation of the values of a variable about its mean. Deviation serves as the measure of the quantified disparity between an observed value of a variable and another designated value. Standard score. The standard score is the number of scores above or below the mean value of what is being observed or measured. The standard normal distribution is one of the forms of the normal distribution. It occurs when a normal random variable has a mean equal to 0 and a standard deviation equal to 1. In other words, a normal distribution with a mean 0 and standard deviation of 1 is called the standard normal distribution.
Also, the standard normal distribution is centered at 0, and the standard deviation gives the degree to which a given measurement deviates from the mean.
Problem 1. For some computers, the time period between changes of the battery is normally distributed with the mean of 50 hours and the standard deviation of 15 hours. Rohan has one of these computers and needs to know the probability that the time period will be between 50 and 90 hours. The solution is, let x be the random variable that represents the same period. The given mean equals 50 and standard deviation variance equals 15. To find probability that x is between 50 and 70 or p 50 less than x and less than 70. By using the transformation equation, we know z equals x minus mean or variance. For x equals 50 or z equals 50 minus 50 or 15 equals 0. For x equals 70, z equals 70 minus 50 or 15 equals 1.33. P 50 x less than 50 and less than 70 equals P 0 less than z and less than 1.33 equals area to the left of z equals 1.33 minus area to the left of z equals 0. From the table we get the value such as P 0 less than z and less than 1.33 equals 0.9082 minus 0.5 equals 0.4082. The probability that Rohan's computer has a time period between 50 and 70 hours is equal to 0.4082. Thank you.
Problem 2. The speeds of cars are measured using a radar unit on a motorway. The speeds are normally distributed with a mean of 90 km per hour and standard deviation of 10 km per hour. What is the probability that a car selected at chance is moving at more than 100 km per hour? Now, given mean equals 90 and standard deviation equals 10, To find the probability that x is higher than 100 or px greater than 100, by using the transformation equation we know, z equals x minus mean divided by standard deviation. For x equals 100, z equals 100 minus 90 divided by 10 equals 1. Px greater than 90 equals Pz greater than 1 equals total area minus area to the left of z equals 1. Pz greater than 1 equals 1 minus 0.8413 equals 0.1587.